So here's how we can download a document and use the highlighter on it from or through the iPad. So let's get started. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, I'm going to open up the Safari and download just a sample document, right? So I'm going to go to this website where you can download some documents from. And let's say I'm going to go with a PDF, right? So I can click on that and hit download, right? And this is what it will actually look like. So you can see that you can click on the download. It's going to start the process. So you're likely going to get a pop-up like this. The document might be opened up. So you can click on a share, then tap on the more options and click on a save to file. So you can actually save and then download that document. You pick the location. I usually go to the download, right? If that makes sense. And the document will be stored right there. So I can leave the web browser. I can go to the file browser instead, and then check out the folder or the specific document which I just downloaded. If it's a PDF, like we just downloaded one, we will have the ability to open it inside in here. It's likely going to go through the preview app, but it's pretty nice because we have the ability to use the markup tool and the highlighter as well. So I can click on the markup in the middle as such, pick the highlighter from the options below. I can tap on it again to adjust the size and opacity. Most likely we don't want to have it the fully full color. We want to make it transparent at least a little bit, right? And you can pick the size and color like that, and I can use the highlighter to highlight whatever I want in that text, right? So that is pretty simple. I can always just export it and save it. So that is the guide on how it generally works. I really hope that I can help you out with it. If there is something more specific which you are kind of wondering about, you can let me know about that below in the comments. I make a lot of tutorials trying to help out as many people as I can, so it's possible I'll make an updated video about that as well. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later.